Money is not just something you earn. Money is something you understand. And the truth is, most millionaires don't become rich because they earn more. They become rich because they think differently about money. If you give the same salary to a millionaire and to an average person, the millionaire will multiply it, while the average person will slowly lose it. That difference is not luck. It is habits. It is mindset. Today, we're going to break down how millionaires think about money, how they treat it, and most importantly, how you can train your own money mindset the same way. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about building habits that quietly, steadily, and powerfully change your financial future. Millionaires see money as a tool, not a goal. Most people see money as the finish line. They think, if I just had more money, my problems would disappear. Millionaires don't think like that. They see money as a tool to create freedom, a tool to buy time, a tool to build opportunities. They don't chase money emotionally. They don't spend it to impress people. They don't use it to prove their worth. Instead, they ask one simple question before every decision. Will this money decision help my future self? This small shift changes everything. When money becomes a tool, you stop wasting it. You stop spending for validation, and you start using money to build something that lasts. They pay themselves first. One of the strongest habits of millionaires is this. They save and invest before they spend. Most people do the opposite. They spend first and save whatever is left. And usually, nothing is left. Millionaires flip the order. The moment money comes in, a part of it is locked away for the future. Not because they don't enjoy life, but because they understand something powerful. If you don't control your money first, your lifestyle will control it for you. They treat saving and investing like a non-negotiable bill, just like rent, just like electricity, just like food. This habit alone can change your life, even if your income is small. Millionaires think long-term, while others think short-term. Most people make money decisions based on how they feel today. They buy things because they are excited, stressed, bored, or trying to impress others. Their choices are driven by the moment, not by the future. Millionaires think differently. They make decisions based on where they want to be 5, 10, or even 20 years from now. Before spending money, they pause and think about consequences. They understand that every financial decision either moves them closer to freedom or pushes it further away. They delay pleasure. They delay comfort. They delay luxury. Not because they don't enjoy life, but because they understand timing. They know that saying no today can create many more yes moments in the future. Instead of upgrading their lifestyle too fast, they focus on building assets. They choose investments over impulse purchases. They choose growth over instant satisfaction. They would rather live slightly below their means now and live freely later than enjoy comfort today and struggle for the rest of their lives. While others ask, can I afford this today? Millionaires ask, what will this cost me in 5 years? Will it slow my progress? Will it take money away from my future goals? This long-term thinking protects them from bad choices, reduces financial stress, and keeps them focused on steady, meaningful growth over time. They spend intentionally, not emotionally. Millionaires don't spend money to escape stress. They don't shop to feel better. They don't buy things because they are bored, sad, or pressured. They spend intentionally. Every purchase has a reason. Every expense is aligned with their values or goals. This doesn't mean they never enjoy life. It means they enjoy life without destroying their future. They understand that emotional spending is one of the fastest ways to stay broke, no matter how much you earn. When you control your emotions, you control your money. Millionaires respect budgeting, but they don't obsess over it. Many people think millionaires don't budget. The truth is, they do. They just do it smartly. They don't track every small expense with stress. Instead, they create simple systems. They know how much they need to live. They know how much goes into investments. And they know how much is available for enjoyment. A budget for them is not a restriction. It is a map. It tells them where their money should go so they don't have to think about it every day. When money has direction, it stops creating anxiety. They invest in assets, not just income. Millionaires understand one powerful rule. Working for money alone will never make you rich. They focus on assets, things that make money even when they are sleeping. Businesses, investments, skills, systems. While most people only think about earning more salary, millionaires think about building streams of income. They know that real wealth is not how much you earn, but how many sources your money comes from. This mindset protects them from financial disasters and creates stability over time. They invest in learning about money. Millionaires are not born knowing how money works. They learn. They read books. They listen to experts. They ask questions. They make mistakes and learn from them. They understand that financial education is one of the highest return investments you can make. While others spend money on things that lose value, millionaires spend money on knowledge that multiplies value. The more you understand money, the less power it has over you. Millionaires control lifestyle inflation. As income increases, expenses usually increase too. Bigger house, better car, more luxuries. Millionaires are careful with this. They allow their lifestyle to grow, but slowly and intentionally. They don't rush to upgrade everything the moment they earn more. They understand that uncontrolled lifestyle inflation is a silent wealth killer. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you should spend more. True wealth is having options, not obligations. They separate ego from money decisions. Millionaires don't use money to feed their ego. They don't need approval through possessions. They don't compete with others financially. They understand that ego-driven decisions are expensive. Instead of asking, "How will this look?" they ask, "How will this help?" This mindset keeps them calm, focused, and financially strong, even when others are chasing appearances. How you can start training your money mindset today. You don't need to be rich to think like a millionaire. You need discipline. You need awareness. You need patience. Start small. Track where your money actually goes. Save before you spend. Learn something about money every week. Question emotional purchases. Think long-term before making decisions. Most importantly, stop saying, "I'm bad with money." Money is a skill, and skills can be learned. The habits you build today will decide where you stand financially 5, 10, or 20 years from now. Millionaires are not special people with superpowers or secret advantages. They are trained. They train the way they think about money. They train their daily habits. They train their decisions, even when no one is watching. They don't rely on luck, sudden success, or shortcuts. They rely on consistency. Small choices made every day, repeated over time, are what separate them from everyone else. And the best part is this: you don't need to be born rich to think this way. You can train your money mindset too. Your financial future is not written by chance or destiny. It is written by what you do consistently with the money you already have. If this video helped you see money in a new way, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video so more people can learn these habits. Subscribe to the channel for more simple, clear, and powerful finance explainers. And comment below one money habit you're going to start today, no matter how small. Remember, changing how you think about money is always the first step toward changing your life.